Hey everyone, Johnny from Camel-Cart here, and I have something remarkable I want to share with you today. So let's dive right in and check out the launch of our latest 5S product we like to call the Spindler.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason with Camel-Cart. Today we got to show you our new 5S tool for Camel-Cart, which is the Spindler. And what it does is it cleans ER collets and also spindles. As an example, I have an ER32 collet here and the old-fashioned way of doing it. Old-fashioned way, you sit here like this, pushing and grinding. Half the time it's still smeared up, doesn't get everything out. Well, with our new tool here, what we have is all ER32 attachments on a nice little small drill, and as you can tell, these are nice and felt. So as you put it in there and turn it on, get it out there, you also have a flashlight here on the end so you could look in, make sure you're nice and clean. You can also go counterclockwise so you could get it in either which way you choose. We also have the spindle attachment. Well, with the spindle attachment and the tool, you can unlock, spin, and get up in the spindle so you can clean out your spindle. Again, turn on your flashlight, look up, make sure everything's nice and clean. This is all rechargeable and all reusable, and you can find it at Camel-Cart.
And there you have it, everybody. Another great 5S product from Camel-Cart. Order yours Black Friday, November 27th, the Spindler. Camel-Cart. More profit, less waste.